Today we're going to be doing a door panel removal on a 2020 Nissan Versa. There's none on the YouTube right now. I got like 18, but it's the latest right here. I pulled it back so I can window tint right here. So what I did is I pulled it back so I can tint this window, and now I got to take the door panel off so I can put it back on, right? So what you got to do is you're going to need a pick and a door panel popper, either one of these, and you're going to come in here and you're going to put your little door panel popper right here, and you just push up like this. Just pry it up like that once, and it should just come right off like this, and then bang. So what you have right here is either, you could use a 10mm or you could use a Phillips. And screw that out. And then right under here, you're gonna need a little pin. You pull back just like normal. And you pop this one out. Just like that. And then you get your 10mm. Take this out. Just like that. Lay this right here, take out the customer's water, and then from the door panel, all you do is pop it open. Oh, I forgot, come back here. You see this right here? All you gotta do is pop it out, and then and it comes right out. And then to reinstall it, you just rehitch it, pull it back, reload it. So when your door panel comes out, all the way completely, all you really gotta do, if you're gonna take it all the way off, you go ahead and pull the clips here, and then disconnect your switch here. But we're not gonna do all that. All we gotta do is reset the door panel by putting it, all you gotta do, lean it against the window, slide it down, and then repop your clips in, pull this out, reinstall it. There. Put this one back here. There it goes.
Remember which both go into which spot? Pretty simple. Nissan's, Hondas, Fords.
Oh, there's a Honda, right? Then, when you're installing this back, you gotta make sure you line up your clips here. Come in here. Make sure that they're getting all lined up right, and just clip it back into place. Right here, if you see it, it has a little hook right here, so it goes into the door panel. You want to put it in the same way you took it out, so it goes in and then back, and it clips in. And then for this one, you just leave it open because it's reset right there. Push it back in the hole, and then clip it in. All right, so my buddy said, "What about the back door, man?" So, just in case y'all didn't know the back door on the 2020 Nissan Versa, well, it's the same video, right? It's the same thing. All you do is pop this clip out, same way. It's always here on the back side. Put it inside the, I always put my stuff right here on the floorboard, so that way it doesn't go anywhere. Same thing here. You're gonna pop this clip out here. Clip. What I like to do is I like to put this in the corner in, and then I just feed the rest of it in, and just pop it up like that. And then the rest of it just comes out. Same thing as the other door. You have your screw here, your screw here, 10mm. You can either use the drill, or you could do it the old-fashioned way. A little bit of wrist grease. Windows are tinted now. I always put this like this just in case I don't want to pull up the door panel and just keep hanging here and just rip some wires out or something. So I just put it back right there. And since I already released the sweeper on these doors on all four, all you do is just pop it out towards you, pull towards you. Again, to take your little clips out here, all you do is pull this out, pick it up, and there goes the door panel, the latch, and the same thing for the top one. Except for I got a little grease on my fingers now. Put it back in. This is a regular clip. Put the door panel against the glass. There you go. Clips fall off on you, let's see. The little clip fell out. Find out where it came out of. Slide it back in there like that. Make sure all your clips are good. That's what happened. Oh. All right. I don't know how that happened. That was manufactured.
But that's pretty much it.
Flaw or something.
Yeah.
Hey, just put the door panel back on. Make sure your metal's not in. Screw it back. Make sure you line up the clips here. Push down, down, down. Remember, this goes in with the same one you took it out, forward in, and then push it down. And then last clip, remember to reload it, because when you take it out, it's going to be kind of up, so just make sure it's reloaded out. Pop it in. Good. And then you're good from there. So if you like this video, there's going to be more and more cars, different body styles, everything. Backlash is coming soon. Maybe 10 videos in the future. But if you like this video, thumbs up and support the channel. And I'm going to blow up. Just watch. All right.